Good morning, students. Hope this new morning brings a lot of joy, a lot of success in your life. As you all know that I used to start my session with a very beautiful, positive and an inspiring thought. And the thought for the day is work is worship. Work is worship. Work. What is the meaning of work? W-O-R-K, work. Work means काम करना. Okay. Work means to work, and worship means to pray, पूजा करना. Okay. To offer pray, to offer worship. Worship. Work is worship. Work is worship means कर्म ही पूजा है. So students, for you what is work? As you are small kids, as you are students, so for you your work is to study. Okay, आपका काम क्या है? आपका काम है सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टडी करना. So work is worship. Now with this positive thought, let us start our today's session. Students, in your English reader book, we have started Unit 1. The topic is sports. Okay, and in this topic, we have discussed various sections. Okay, like number 1, sports. This all we have done. Then this one is a true friend. This chapter we have also finished. After that, we have discussed the question and answers also. After that, your next chapter is mixed up at birth. We have already finished it. And now here is the turn of section D, that is what's really important. What's really important. So student, this is the paragraph. You will have to read it yourself. See, here it is written, read it yourself. So this is for reading only. Okay, so shall we start? A few years ago, at the Special Olympics, 9 disabled participants assembled at the starting line for 100-meter race. Disabled. What is the meaning of disabled, students? Disabled means physically challenged people. Physically or mentally challenged people are called as disabled. Okay, it means there must be some disability in their body. Okay, it might be physical, it may be mental also. So that is called as disabled person. What is participants? Participants are the person who are involved in some activity. Okay, who are involved in some activity, whether the activity may be related with music, dance, sports or anything. Okay, so participants means involvement of some person in any activity. Okay, so the involvement of person, involvement of, as you are students, okay, so you also involved in some activity. Okay, so it is called as participants. Assembled. What is the meaning of assembled? Assembled means to be in a group. ठीक है, assemble का मतलब क्या होता है? To gather somewhere. To gather somewhere. किसी एक जगह ग्रुप में होना, किसी एक जगह जमा होना. Students, in your school, you used to assemble where? In the morning time, you used to assemble where? In the playground. Okay, for what? For assembly. Okay, so that is called as assembled, means एक जगह इकट्ठा होना, to gather somewhere. This is called as assembled. So let's start once again. A few years ago, At the Special Olympics, 9 disabled participants assembled at the starting line for the 100-meter race. Means few years ago, okay, few years ago there was a Special Olympic held, okay, and in that very Olympic the participants were disabled, means the participants were physically challenged person, okay, and in that very Olympic 9 disabled persons, or you can say 9 disabled participants, they assembled, means they gathered at the starting line, okay, for what? For 100-meter race. It means 9 disabled persons, they have participated in Special Olympic for 100-meter race, okay, they have participated in that race. At the whistle, what is the whistle? Students, you all know whistle means, what is whistle? Whistle is CT, okay. At the whistle, they all started out to run the race and win the Olympic prize. It means when the whistle blown, ठीक है, जब ये सीटी बजी, when the whistle blown, they all started. Who started? They all. Who is they all? Okay, in they all, what is the meaning here? Is they all? They all means all the 9 disabled participants. Means when the whistle blown, all the 9 disabled participants, they all started running the race. They all started running for 100-meter race. And why they all started running? Because as this is a sport, this is a game, so everyone wants to win the trophy, everyone wants to win the prize, okay. So also when the whistle blown, they all started running to win the race and to win the Olympic prize, okay children. See, as in this picture you can see that there are some students, okay, or you can say there are some boys or girls. So they are the participants, they all have started running, okay, but one child has fallen down, and you can see that they all are disabled person, okay, they all are having Baisakhi. What is this? This is called as Baisakhi, means they all are disabled person, they all are physically challenged person, they all are physically challenged people. So at the whistle, what happened? They all started running together to win the race, to win the Olympic prize. There was, however, one boy who fell down a few times and began to cry. There was, however, one boy who fell down a few times and began to cry. So meanwhile, what happened? One boy just fallen down, and after falling he started crying. Children, you also started crying when you fall down, isn't it? आप भी जब भी गिरते हो आप क्या करते हो? सबसे पहले रोते हो, है कि नहीं? So this boy also, when he fallen down, he also started crying. He shouted, he cried loudly. The other 8 children heard the boy's cry. Then what happened after that? When the boy has fallen down, the rest of the children, means the rest of the people, they, what they do? They just stopped over there and they heard the boys crying, means they listened that the boy was crying. They slowed down and paused, means after hearing his voice, what they do? They slow down and paused. Slow down and paused means as they are running to win the prize, but when they heard the crying of the boy, when they heard that the boy is crying in pain, they all stopped for a while. वो लोग क्या किए? थोड़ी देर के लिए रुक गए. They stopped for a while, or they slowed down. वो लोग दौड़ते दौड़ते रुक गए and paused. Paused means to give a break. Okay. फिर वो लोग क्या किए? दौड़ते दौड़ते रुक गए. They all turned around and went back. Then after that, what they do? They all turned around. Turned around means to look backside. Okay, and why they all turned around? Because the boy was fallen down. Okay, to see him, they all turned around and went back, means they just went back after that. One girl bent down and kissed him. Among these participants, among these children, there was a girl. Okay, see, as you can see in this picture, that here is a girl and she just bowed down, okay, and she kissed him. So One girl bent down and kissed him. Among these 9 participants, among these rest of the 8 participants, there is a girl who just bowed down, who just sat down, bent down, and she kissed the boy. She said, after kissing the boy, she said something. So let us see what she said. She said, this will make you better. Means after kissing, she said the boy that this will make you feel better. See children, in your day-to-day life, you can see in your homes or in your neighbor homes that if any small kid or if any small child used to used to fall down, what the parents or what the elders used to they used to go, okay, they used to make them feel comfortable, okay, they used to kiss them that okay beta it's okay, okay now it's okay, don't shout. ठीक है, क्या होता है बच्चे जब भी गिरते हैं रोते हैं तो बड़े बुजुर्ग क्या करते हैं, वहाँ पे जाते हैं, बच्चे को किस करते हैं, उसको उठाते हैं, एंड दे यूज्ड टू पैट, ओके। फिर वो लोग क्या करते हैं, उसके पेट पे थपथपाते हुए बोलते हैं ना, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, शाबाश शाबाश, गिरोगे फिर उठोगे, इजंट इट? सो द गर्ल सेड this will make you feel better. She kissed him and she said that this will make you feel better. अब तुम्हें अच्छा लग रहा होगा. Then all the 9 linked arms. What is the linked arms? Linked arm means at first or in starting you can see that they all were running. Okay, they all were running their own. ये लोग आपस में दौड़ रहे थे. But after this means when the boys fallen down, they all came and they all 9 linked arms and walked together to finish the line. Means after that what happened, all the participants they linked their arms, means हाथ से हाथ मिलाकर they all started running to finish the line. Everyone in the stadium stood up. Okay, everyone in the stadium. Who is this everyone, student? This everyone means the audience. Okay, there were audience in the stadium, and after seeing all these things, the audiences, or you can say every people that is presented in the stadium, they all stood up. What is stood up? खड़े हो जाना. They all stood up and the cheering went for 10 minutes. And what happened after that? After that they all stood up and they started cheering. For whom? For all these 9 participants. All the audience stood up in the stadium and they all started cheering for all these 9 participants for 10 minutes. Means continuously for 10 minutes they all started cheering. Student, what is cheering? Cheering means shouting for joy. Okay, खुशी से चिल्लाना, shouting for joy or in praise. ठीक है, किसी को praise करना, किसी को encourage करना. You people also used to cheer up for your friends. Okay, reason may be some different. Okay, reason may be during the study time, if someone is doing something really very good, if someone is getting really very good marks, then what you people used to do? You people used to cheer for him or her. Okay, isn't it? So in this also, every person who was present in that day, means who were in the stadium at that time, they all stood up and they all cheering for all these 9 participants. Okay, so this is the chapter what's really important, or you can say what you noticed in the story. Children, what you noticed in the story, the very first unit is sports. Okay, and in the previous class I have given you one topic, that is sportsmanship, and in that very topic I have explained what is sportsmanship, what is called as sportsmanship, what are the qualities of sportsman, isn't it? So here in this story, what you can see that everybody having the sportsmanship quality. Okay, sportsmanship quality means, what does it means? It means sportsmanship here means not to just take care of yourself, but you have to care for other participants also. You must care for other participant also. Okay, there must be some rules and one must follow all the rules and regulations. Okay, so here in this story, in the last part, you can see that all the 8 students, all the 8 children, they linked their arms, they joined their arms and they started running togetherly. They started running together, and why they started running? Just to finish the line. Okay, so this is the story. In this story you can see the sportsmanship, you can see the sportsman quality that any person must have, or you can say every person must have. Okay children, so this is the story, go through it, and after the story I'm giving you some of the hard words and its meaning also. Okay, so you will have to write all the hard words and the meaning, and you will have to learn it. Okay, so now children, here is the hard word that you can see. This is from the chapter what's really important. Number 1 is disabled. Disabled means physically or mentally challenged people. Disabled का मतलब क्या होता है, वो person जो physically या mentally challenged हो. ठीक है, physically means maybe वो physically handicapped हो. ठीक है, maybe his leg could be some injured, or you can say his hand, or in any parts of body he must having injury. Okay, that is why they called as disabled person. Paused. Paused means to stop for some time. ठीक है, पॉज मीन्स टू स्टॉप फॉर सम टाइम, कुछ टाइम के लिए रुकना. लिंक मीन्स इंटरकनेक्टेड, दैट इज इंटरजॉइंड. इंटरकनेक्टेड मीन्स लिंक्ड. cheering. Cheering means shouting for joy or in praise or encouragement. See, shouting here, shouting, what is the meaning of shouting? Shouting का meaning होता है चिल्लाना, but here is written cheering. Cheering means wherever you see cheering, it means shouting for joy, मतलब खुशी से चिल्लाना, खुशी से praise करना, किसी को encourage करना. Okay children, so this is the hard words. These are the 4 hard words. These 4 hard words you have to write in your copy with the meaning also. Okay, you will have to give the date, class work, and the chapter heading. What is the heading of the chapter? The heading is what's really important. Okay children, and one more thing, your homework is, see, in the previous class I have given you one notes of sportsmanship, the essay on sportsmanship. So this is the essay on sportsmanship. You must have, this is the essay on sportsmanship, you must have written it. Okay, so you will have to learn this one also. So this is your homework. Okay children, till then, thank you.